Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube page, Alabama Bee Girlz and Dad. Wanted to share with you a little bit of something that happened yesterday. Pretty cool. Some people might not like it, but this is how it is. As much as being a beekeeper, I want to save the bees as much as possible. Every once in a while, you just can't do it. This was a situation that I just didn't have the stuff to do it, and these people did not want the bees into their house. And come to find out, what we were seeing was actually scout bees that were actually finding the location to move to. And you'll see in a minute, but this is when two hobbies, businesses, whatever you want to call it, collide. I was using my drone that I had done some real estate video and pictures for earlier in the day to get up to where the bees were coming in. On this house, it looks like an old English house. I wish I'd have gotten some pictures and stuff of it. Absolutely beautiful architecture. An actually beautiful area that it was in. But where they were at was right beside a chimney, an old chimney, and the soffit was actually looked like crown molding. And there was a gap between the brick and the crown molding that the bees were going in and out of. What we thought was a swarm that had already moved in, come to find out it was nothing but scout bees. And so I took my drone up, looked at it, took a little video, took some pictures, and landed it. And after I landed it, I could still hear the hum of the drone. Come to find out, when I started looking a little closer, it was actually bees, and they were literally coming over the house to the spot where the scout bees were going, or had found. So again, these people did not want the bees into this house. Historic house. I don't want to cut into it. It's above where I'm at. As far as skill level and everything else. And so the lady grabs a water hose and starts spraying them down. The gentleman goes in, starts a fire in the fireplace to kind of get some smoke going and try to push them out. I don't know exactly what happened. I left before it was all said and done, but I did get some very cool footage. And I'll probably get some hate mail for this, but I actually had put my drone back up and tried to kind of push the bees off the edge of the house with it, but that just didn't work. So I put it up, and here's what it's like to be in a swarm that's landing on the edge of a house. A lot of people may not actually realize what it's like to be in an actual swarm, but here's a little example of it, filmed up in the air as these bees are landing on the house. appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, you may or may not like it. The bees, these people were not interested in saving them once they realized they were going to be, going into their house. So they did what they had to stop it. But thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up button. It does nothing but help our channel. And until next time, y'all be good.